Natural lash lovers, this is the perfect lash mat for you and it lasts up to 7 days. Meet Cappuccino, our best-selling style tray chic in a dreamy natural brown shade. They are perfect for a soft, glowing look, especially if you have lighter natural lashes for a more seamless look. All our cluster styles are made with the most advanced foam material which is reusable and feels light on the eye for a comfortable wear. You get 40 clusters per pack, allowing you to get multiple wears from each box. Cappuccino comes in lengths 8mm to 14mm, so you can totally customize your look. Here is how to apply your clusters if you want them to last for up to 7 days. Before applying, make sure your lashes are makeup and oil free and completely clean and dry. We recommend working on one eye at a time when applying Invisi-Lash and lash clusters. We recommend completing a patch test before using Invisi-Lash. Simply apply a small amount of Invisi-Lash bond to a small section of the outer corner lashes and wait for 24 hours. If you experience any reactions or any sensitivity, please discontinue use. Brush a light coat of bond from the Invisi-Lash adhesive on your natural lashes. Focus the adhesive where the base of the cluster will connect with your natural lashes. You do not need to brush adhesive all the way up your lash. We recommend not applying mascara before the bond for a more natural and seamless look. Once the bond is applied, wait for 30 seconds for the bond to go tacky. TATTI tip. We recommend working in sections, from either the outer corner of your eye or the inner corner of your eye, working across your lash line. Working in sections will give you time to apply the bond and clusters flawlessly. If your lashes are getting too sticky after applying the bond, you may be applying too much. You only need one coat of bond. Gently loosen and peel your cluster from the tray using your fingers. We recommend loosening the cluster as close to the root as possible before removing it from the tray. Using your lash applicator, pick up your cluster from the end section of the lash, not the base. Place the cluster underneath your natural lashes by lifting the lash cluster against the root of your natural lashes, using an up and out motion. Make sure no adhesive is on the tweezer as this will stick to the lash cluster. If you have the glue on the tweezer, make sure to clean this off in between lash applications as it can stick to the cluster and the tweezers. To create a soft winged effect, I use 3 of the 14mm clusters on the outer corner, then 2 of the 12mm clusters, 1 of the 10mm clusters, and then finishing off with an 8mm cluster on the inner corner. Apply the seal using a dabbing motion to the upper and lower sides of your finished lashes. Do not brush or pull the wand through your lash clusters. The seal will eliminate any sticky residue and cure the adhesive bond. Only seal the lashes where you've applied the bond, taking care to avoid the tips of the lash clusters. Wait 5 minutes to let the cure work its magic. Repeat this step if you feel the bond is still sticky or tacky. Be careful to not apply the cure all the way through the lash cluster as it can leave residue and cause the clusters to go hard and clump together. Once your lashes are set in place, using your curved Invisi-Lash applicator, clamp down the lashes to ensure they're secure and locked into place. Make sure you wipe down your lash applicator and there isn't any bond on it prior to clamping. When clamping, focus on the base of your natural lash line where the lash clusters are bonded to, as this will ensure your lashes will not lift or move, giving a long, lasting finish. We recommend keeping your lashes away from water and steam for 24 hours after application, just like you would with lash extensions. And there you have it, a gorgeous natural look that will last up to 7 days with our Cappuccino Invisi-Lash kit. Shop now at tattilashes.com.